What is going on YouTube? It is ZDB Shoes here, back for yet another video today.
Another one.
Got another one for you guys. Going to be talking a little bit about what I saw today when I was out shopping at the mall. So let's just go ahead and get into it, guys, right after this. Alright guys, so today I was out at the mall in my area out here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. I was in a city called Mesquite, a little bit east of Dallas, and I was in a mall, and they have a Macy's in that mall, and I was walking through looking at the slides and the shoes and everything, and then I look over on this rack and like kind of out of the corner of my eye, I'm like, what the heck is that? So the first glance, I'm like, Macy's definitely does not have Supreme gear, right? Because I saw what looked like Supreme slides on the shelf. So I go over and I pick them up, and there's these slides there, and let me show you guys. So here they are, and at first glance, like across the store, I thought that this said Supreme, but it actually says Super Dry.
Congratulations, you played yourself.
But anyway, I had to grab these because they look so much like Supreme slides that I figured, what the heck, I'm gonna grab these and see what people think about them. So at first glance, I was kind of looking at these. This is the one that really makes you think that it is a Supreme slide because it's got the SUP on there. And if you don't see the ER on the other side, it's kind of hard to see. If you don't see that, you're like, oh my God. The font is really similar to Supreme's box logo font. It's not as tilted, but the font looks very similar, as you can see right here. The only real difference is that this just isn't a simple, like the way it's laid out is kind of different as far as like it's got, I don't know if this is Chinese or Japanese, but it's got this on this side, and then on the other side you've got like the registered trademark symbol, and then that symbol again. On the underside, it just says Super Dry a bunch of times on each slide. But yeah, anyway guys, I figured I'd show you these because I thought it was pretty neat. Like, obviously when something gets really big like Supreme does, you'll have people try to copy them, or at least not exactly copy them, maybe kind of do. Obviously they aren't trying to pose as Supreme right here. Like, this doesn't say Supreme. They're just going after that exact same style with the box logo and everything. So it's pretty interesting to me, and these, to be honest, these are like super comfortable. And I don't know, I really haven't researched this brand much, the Super Dry brand, but I have a feeling that it's probably something that's like for swimming or for surfing or something, like that you're supposed to keep dry with. But anyway, yeah, so, and these were only $25. So if you're trying to like a hype beast on a budget and you don't care about your slides saying Super Dry instead of Supreme, then go ahead and cop these. You can pick these up at Macy's. I'm sure you can get them on the Super Dry website. I'm sure you can get them at plenty of other stores, plenty of other places online, eBay, stuff like that. But yeah, super comfortable, like I said. Kind of have that hypebeast Supreme box logo look to them, but they are definitely not Supreme. Yeah guys, sorry about the clickbait in the title. I just thought this was interesting that we've got like kind of like a wave of brands that are trying to copy Supreme's box logo. Anyway guys, I'll leave you with that. Just a short little video today about the slides, and yeah, peace out, and I will see you guys next time.